My dear students, tonight my arrangement is the use of as soon as, no sooner had, and hardly when. And you know that as soon as, no sooner had, and hardly when all are used to suggest an incident or an occurrence immediately after. Just immediately after is suggested by all the three expressions: as soon as, no sooner had, and hardly when. Now I am going to substantiate all these three adverbs or adverbials with some examples. But before it, I want to remind you of the fact that some of you skip the video and you will be loser. So I request all of you to see or to watch the video from top to bottom, from the beginning to the end. So my first example is, suppose as soon as we got down from the train, the rain started. As soon as we got down from the train, the rain started. Suppose you have been asked to convert or to change the sentence into a negative sentence. Naturally, you will have to write or you will have to say, no sooner had we got down from the train, then the rain started. So, no sooner had plus past participle of the verb and then. Clear? And we may use it in the different way. For example, no sooner did we get down from the train, then the rain started. As the auxiliary verb is in the past form, we should use the present form of the finite verb. No sooner did we get down from the train, then the rain started. And you may also use hardly had we got down from the train when the rain started. Again, you may write or you may say, hardly did we get down from the train when the rain started. So I am giving you three expressions, and all the three expressions suggest or indicate the same meaning, that is immediately after. Okay? Now I am giving you another set of examples. For example, as soon as the rain stopped, the children started playing their games. As soon as the rain stopped, the children started playing their games. And if you are asked to change it into a negative sentence, naturally you should begin the sentence with no sooner had or no sooner did. No sooner had the rain stopped, then the children started playing their games. Or no sooner did the rain stop, then the children started playing their games. Or hardly had the rain stopped when the children started playing their games. Or hardly did the rain stop the children when the children started playing their games. So I am giving you third set of examples. For example, no sooner had the torrential rain started than we took shelter in a cottage. No sooner had the torrential rain started than we took shelter in a cottage. If you are asked to use as soon as, you will have to say, or you will have to write, as soon as the torrential rain started, we took shelter in a cottage. And if you are asked to use hardly, you will have to write, hardly had the torrential rain started when we took shelter in a cottage. Or hardly the torrential rain started when hardly the torrential rain started when we took shelter in a cottage. So all the three expressions are the same. And if you ask me why did we or why should we use auxiliary verb after no sooner or hardly, it is because no sooner is the negative adverbial, and in the same way hardly is also an adverb. If the sentence begins with a negative adverbial or a negative adverb, you must put the auxiliary verb after the negative adverbial or the adverb. And that is why we have used did or had after no sooner or hardly. But in the case of as soon as, there is no problem. Clear? And all the three expressions have the same meaning, that is immediately after. Remember it. And my dear boys and girls, try to practice writing all these sentences at home as your home task. And I request at the end that you should subscribe my channel and like it and share it, so that I may be encouraged to give you more grammatical items in the days ahead. Thank you. Good night.